Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language in the Trendyol app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Trendyol app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have some sales, some recommendations, some offers. But from here we have to go and tap on the little person icon in the bottom right corner. And after we tap on this, we have to scroll down, and under the More section, we have to first select the Deliver To. We have to select in the Deliver To button the country that we want the items to be delivered to. Let's say we live in Greece. This is the country that you live in, and you want the item to be delivered to. And then we do the same thing, scroll down more, and then under the Select Language button, we can select the native language of that country. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.